Hey, you know how we've been talking about how crucial it is for our projects to have top-notch search capabilities? Well, Azure Cognitive Search is this amazing platform that could really amp up our search capabilities, and custom skills allow us to do a bunch more than the out-of-the-box options provide. Custom skills are basically specialized functionalities that can be plugged into Azure Cognitive Search to handle specific tasks tailored to our business needs, like extracting data from texts or even integrating external data sources. Intriguing, right? We can start with creating skins, which are like templates that can be used to process unstructured documents and metadata to find the data we need. By writing custom skills, we can include logic that searches through content and pulls in specific data fields or applies domain-specific processing to enrich our search results in ways the default skills can't. The process begins with setting up a solution in Azure portal, using Visual Studio for some of the initial work, especially for writing custom skills in languages like C# or .NET Core. But you know we are not just writing code. We are actually architecting components like skills for Azure Cognitive Search, where we can control search logic, routing, and even where to send the processed data. Setting up permissions is another crucial part. We'll need to assign appropriate permissions for data sources, the skills, and even the users who will interact with our search functionalities. This way, we know who has access to what, maintaining a secure environment. Once we get the groundwork laid, we'll define our skills in a skill manifest JSON, which tells Azure what our skills will do. This might include processing input data and returning specific outputs to be used by our search experiences. There's an initial test phase, where we simulate scenarios to ensure our skills work as intended before we roll them out for general use. Now let's say we run into an issue, like an unexpected error during the skills execution. Debugging steps in Azure allow us to troubleshoot these errors effectively. Sometimes, to enhance our skills further, we might want to tweak their performance. Optimization within Azure Cognitive Search's skills can be crucial to ensure our skills are running fast and efficiently. We need to maintain skills to keep them as relevant and as performant as possible. And what if we wanted to extend our skills with logic to handle more complex tasks, like extracting specific patterns or integrating our custom skills output directly into our applications? Well, that's where skill interactions come into play. We can connect them with each other seamlessly. Building custom skills really brings our search engines closer to what we see in big enterprises. Imagine applying this to marketing or healthcare, where tailored search capabilities can really differentiate the service offering. We are taking the power of Azure Cognitive Search and making it our own, customizing it to fit the exact needs of our projects. I'd love to take just a moment here and mention that if you really want some deep dives or want to keep up with what I've been working on with Azure Cognitive Search, visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to my TechLab channel. Can't wait to see how you'll take Azure Cognitive Search to new levels with custom skills and how we can discuss our experiences with it and stay updated on the latest in Azure technology. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab.